Engrtech JM Computer Repair Service.
Hi, in this course you're going to learn and master the laptop motherboard repairing. First of all, you're going to learn the laptop motherboard components, names and functions. Then we're going to discuss and study the laptop motherboard power sequence. Then you are going to learn all about laptop motherboard main circuits, including the battery charge circuit, the 3V 5V system power circuit, the CPU system power circuit, the VCC core and VGFX power management regulators, and much more. I'm going also to teach you how to troubleshoot and track voltages and signals in the motherboards using their schematics step by step. You're going also to learn the most common faults that can cause a dead or a failed laptop motherboard and how to repair it. We're gonna discuss in these lectures the motherboard power jack faults, the motherboard protection components faults, the charge circuit faults, the motherboard connectors failures, the short circuit faults, the USB connectors and other motherboard boards faults, the audio controller IC faults, and much more. So what are you waiting for? Enroll now and let's get started.
My Facebook Engrtech JM. Then search my page Engrtech JM. Click follow. Click like. And please share. You can message me if you have question problem to your computer.